There are 3 ways how to easily create new deals in Pipedrive. Do you know all of them? I'm Tom from Dáváme, where we help businesses turn Pipedrive into a money-making machine. By the way, if you need a 14-day free trial or a personal consultation, check the link in the description right now. But first, let's create some deals. If you enter Pipedrive, you can create new deals by clicking the Add New Deal button. You enter the contact person details and organization. Pipedrive already recognizes if there is a duplicity, so you can check whether this person already exists in Pipedrive. Enter details and you just save it. That's how you can create your first deal. Another option how to create deals in Pipedrive is importing deals. If you go to Tools and Apps, you can import deals from files, from CSV files and XLS files. For example, I have prepared some data in a file. As you can see, I have a structured file. I have a column called name, company, and a deal, because I want to also have a deal name. You can also add more columns. Let's say you want to enter also a column called owner of the deal, or maybe a stage where it should land. I have already downloaded this file and now I can upload it to Pipedrive. I want to add new deals, go next, upload the spreadsheet. Pipedrive already recognizes what each column means in Pipedrive. So as you can see, the name is a deal title. That's wrong. So I just change the mapping. I choose a person name as a column name. The company column is organization name, and the deal, that should be the deal title. Now my spreadsheet is correctly mapped and I can continue. Pipedrive can show me how it will be imported and then also give me an option if there is any duplicity, if it should be merged or just create multiple records. In this case, I will just click Merge Data. Start importing. Now, Pipedrive just imported all 3 deals. As you can see, we can check it here and you can see that there are already 3 new deals. In case you do something incorrectly, you can revert this importing action. Just go to Import, History of Imports, and now you have 48 hours to revert your action. So if you are not satisfied with your import, just click Revert. Pipedrive reverts this action and just behaves that nothing was imported. As you can see, deals are lost. The third option, how to create deals in Pipedrive. You want to have your form on the website. So create a form inside Pipedrive. Go to Leads, Web Form, click Add a new web form. You can choose from predefined forms or you can start from scratch. Let's have a contact form. There are already predefined fields in the form. You can add more fields if you want to collect this information from the visitors of your website. Just click by adding another field. The next option is to customize your form. So you can change colors, fonts, form styles, and so on. So it can look more like your web. Another option, you can choose what should be done after submission. When the form is submitted, what should happen? So first of all, you want to have either a thank you message or thank you page. So you define if there is just a message or if it's redirected to another website. And also you define how it should be logged and saved in Pipedrive. So you want to save it as a deal. You can predefine a prefix. So let's say web deal, and you define also where it should land and who is the owner, how to share your form. So either you can share it as a link, or you can just embed the form on your website. You have all the instructions here. Let's test your web form. After submission, you get a thank you message, and now it has landed directly to Pipedrive, as you can see with a prefix. So these are the 3 ways how you can enter deals in Pipedrive. So now you know the technical side. You can create deal fast, but let's be honest, even the fastest workflow won't help if your pipeline is a mess. If you want to stop guessing and start closing, go to Davame.com. The link is below. You can grab your 14-day free trial there, but more importantly, book a consultation with us. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, we are on a mission to become the #1 Pipedrive partner, so please help us out and hit that like button. I will see you in the next one. Thomas out.